Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To create a new tag category for your tags, simply click the drop-down arrow at the right side of the New button, which looks like a green plus sign, to the right of the keywords label within the Tags panel, and then select the New Category command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Create Category dialog box. To assign a color to the new tag category, click the Choose Color button, then select a color from the Color Picker dialog box that appears, and then click the OK button in the Color Picker dialog box. Type a name for the new tag category into the Category Name field. Choose an icon for the category from the choices shown in the category icon list by clicking the icon that you prefer. When finished, click the OK button to create the new tag category. To create a new tag subcategory, click the drop-down arrow at the right side of the New button, which looks like a green plus sign, to the right of the keywords label within the panel, and then choose the New Subcategory command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Create Subcategory dialog box. Type a name for the new tag subcategory into the Subcategory Name field, and select the name of the new subcategory's parent tag category from the Parent Category or Subcategory drop-down. Then click the OK button to create the new tag subcategory.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.